Good morning, friends. Today I am going to give you an essay on Mahatma Gandhi, very popular name we all know. Mahatma Gandhi is a father of nation. Let's start the video. Mahatma Gandhi, 1869 to 1948. Let's start. Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a coastal town in present-day Gujarat, India. His father Karamchandra Gandhi 1822 to 1885, who belonged to the Hindu Modh community, was the Diwan Prime Minister of Porbandar state, a small princely state in the Kothiwar agency of British India. As a youth, about 15-year-old, let's start. He had his schooling in nearby Rajkot, where his father served as the advisor or prime minister to the local ruler. In May 1883, the 13-year-old Mohandas was married to a 14-year-old Kasturba Bai Makharaji in an arranged child marriage, as was the custom in the region. In 1885, when Gandhi was 15, the couple first child was born but survived only a few days. Attempting to establish a career in India 1891 to 1893. His attempts at establishing a law practice in Mumbai failed. Later, after failing to secure a part-time job as a high school teacher, he ended up returning to Rajkot to make a modest living drafting petitions for litigants, a business he was forced to close when he ran afoul of a British officer. Gandhi in South Africa, 1893 to 1914. In South Africa, Gandhi faced discrimination directed at Indians. He was thrown off a train at Pietermaritzburg after refusing to move from first class to a third class coach while holding a valid first class ticket. Traveling further on by stagecoach, he was beaten by a driver for refusing to travel on the footboard to make room for a European passenger. These events were a turning point in his life, awakening him to social injustice and influencing his subsequent social activism. The South Africa years. Gandhi served in and led an ambulance corps unit in both the Boer War 1819-1892 and the Zulu War of 1906. By supporting the British government, Gandhi hoped to gain full citizenship for Indians in South Africa, a goal he did not achieve. Struggle for Indian independence 1915 to 1945. Returning to India in 1915. In 1915, Gandhi returned from South Africa to live in India. He spoke at the conventions of the Indian National Congress but was primarily introduced to Indian issues, politics, and the Indian people by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, a respected leader of the Congress Party at the time. Between the wars in 1918 in Champaran, a district in the state of Bihar, tens of thousands of landless serfs, indigent labored, and poor farmers were forced to grow indigo and other cash crops instead of food crops necessary for their survival. Gandhi proposed satyagraha, non-violence, mass civil disobedience. His main assault came as he was arrested by police on the charge of be, uh, creating unrest and was ordered to leave the provinces. Hundreds of thousands of people protested and rattled outside the jail, police station, and court demanding his release, which the court unwillingly did. Gandhi tactics. Gandhi employed non-cooperation, non-violence, and peaceful resistance as his weapons in the struggle against British. In Punjab, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre of civilians by British troops, also known as Amritsar massacre, caused deep trauma to the nation, leading to increased public anger and act of violence. Gandhi citizen both the action criticized both the action of the British Raj and the retaliatory violence of Indians. When he was arrested, he continued his non-violent protest through hunger strike. He became a respected world figure without ever doing anything violent. The British couldn't ignore him, they had to talk with him. As the war progressed, Gandhi intensified his demand for independence, drafting a resolution calling for the British to quit India. This was Gandhi and the Congress Party's most definitive revolt aimed at securing the British exit from India. Independence. When the movement of freedom came on 15 August 1947, Gandhi was nowhere to be seen in the capital through Nehru and the entire Constituent Assembly were to salute him as the architect of Indian independence, as the father of the nation. Thank you, friends. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please like my video and subscribe my channel and share to your friends to know more about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Thank you.